Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Sorry for the delay. So let's get started with the video. So we are having multiple news into the market today, and one is at 1 p.m., the next is at 6 p.m., and the very next news is at 7:15 p.m. So be cautious at these timings. Now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart as I had already explained it. So let's move to the weeklies now. This is the weekly chart, and what we see is that the price was sweeping the lows, though we didn't break above the previous high. I mean, this particular high, rather, we went below the structure, though the price seems to be quite in sideways. But this is what the scenario looks like right now. Let's move to the dailies. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that the price mitigated this level and we went down, breaking the order flow which was being maintained over here. So right now what we have already done into the market is we have broken this particular low. So I'm anticipating now that most likely we are going to come all the way down to mitigate this BPR. So I'm still anticipating about how many pips is it? 60 pips movement into the market. Now let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hour, what we see is that we see some kind of order flow being respected by the market. That is, the price respected this FVG, moved into the downward side. The price later on respected this BPR, and we are still moving into the downward side. Apart from that, I see that the price is really in rush. That is, we are having a quite a nice momentum right now. So there are still no signs of the price moving into the upside direction. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that we have already broken this level and we are moving down. Though, I guess it is visible here. We are having this 1 hour FVG. So if in London, we are going to come all the way up and mitigate this FVG, I'll be happy to take trade uh, below this till this level, about maybe 20 to 30 pips. Yeah. So this is what my today's analysis uh, is about. Like, I'm bearish into the market. I was bearish since yesterday only, but I was not having a clear point of entry. Right now, I'm anticipating that I'm going to enter the market right at this zone, and this will be my TP. Apart from that, we are having this strong highs being made into the market, particular high. And I'm not anticipating that we are going to breach this level if we are going to go lower. Shifting to the part, this is the most valid invalidation point. Yeah. So this is it. Do write me into the comments that what are your analysis according to your trading style, and how do you see today's Euro USD trend. So meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.